Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Al-Amin. I'm studying in the first year of Madani Nisab in Ar Rayhan International Madrasah in Dhaka. First of all, I'm thankful to all of you, especially our Honorable Principal, Maulana Mufti Abdul Kaium Sahib Da'amat Barakatuhum, for attending today's program. Today, I'm here as a coordinator of this program. My dear audience, in this sitting, we are going to start our students' presentation even in English. Now, I would like to request dear brother Muhammad Shahid Al-Mahmoud from Department of Madani Nisab to come on the stage and deliver your valuable lecture.
I praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I send blessing and salutation be upon the beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Chairman, respected teachers and guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Shahid. I'm from Pabna. I read in first year of Madrasah in Ar Rayhan International Madrasah in Dhaka. My dear listeners, today I would like to recite the hadith before you. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي. That means Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I'm the last of the prophets. There is no prophet after me. So my dear brothers and sisters, it has been clear to us as broad daylight that our beloved Prophet is the last messenger and there is no prophet after him. So who will demand to be prophet after him? He can't be a Muslim. Rather, he is disbeliever like Qadani and his all followers. May Allah give us protection from their fitna and misguiding. Thank you so much. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Thank you so much for your exceptional performance. We're really motivated by your beautiful lecture. MashaAllah, Jazakumullahu khairan.
Ar Rayhan International Madrasa, একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।